So before we go on to that, just make sure with all the changes we've made so far that you don't exit out of them. You just hit publish and everything we've done so far will be saved and made live on your site. Okay, so how we do it is we're going to go back to customize. You'll come back to here, and what you want to go to is front page sections. Now, what you'll see is that there's a thing here called subscribe, and you'll notice that it's got a little eye with a line through it. We're just going to click that. It's because the section has been disabled. So by default, it's disabled. So now if we scroll down, you'll see that we have a subscribe to our newsletter section, but there's nothing in it yet. That's because we haven't installed the plugin that needs to be used for it. So how we do that is we go to this little section here. It says send in blue plugin. Simply just hit install and activate. Okay, so once that's done, it'll come up looking like this. Now what you want to do is hit publish and make sure all the new changes we put in have been saved. And then, so now what you want to do is exit out of this. And you want to go back to your dashboard. And then go down to the send in blue plugin. So now we have to configure send in blue. So first we need to configure the plugin. So if we just want to go through and go create account. So you just put in your company, just really whatever your business name is, or your blog name, anything. It doesn't in the end doesn't actually really matter that much. And then put in your email, make up a password, and just hit get started. So what you want to do is go on up to your emails, and there you go. You've got you've got your email from Sendinblue. You just simply hit confirm my email address. So yeah, so you'll be brought to here. Now after you've done that, it means you've confirmed everything. You want to go back to your website where you were, and you're going to hit get your API key from your account. So just simply hit that, and then you're just going to get your API key, which is here, and then you're just going to hit copy and take it back and hit that and log in, and you come up saying you have successfully activated your account. Okay, so all that's set up, good to go. Now what you want to do is you want to go back to your site, and you want to go back to the customize section again, and you just want to go to remember our front page, subscribe, and you'll have a crazy looking code. All you do is copy that. Now we go back to our dashboard again. I hope you guys are keeping up. Okay, so what we want to do next is go to send in blue. Then we want to go to forms, and you want to go to edit in your default form section, and you will simply paste in the code that we had before, remembering to delete the one that we had, delete what we had there previously, and then just simply hit save. Awesome, so that's all good. Alright, so once that's done, we've just got one last thing to do to make sure this works. I know it's a bit of a process, but this is probably one of the most, if not the most important thing you can do for your website, because if you can get a subscription base, an email base, really it's the best way for you to grow. So we're just going to, one final thing is we're going to go to customize, and we're going to go to front page sections, and you go back to subscribe again. And what you want to do now, you'll see that it looks still a bit plain. So you go add widget, and you scroll down until you see send in blue widget. Click on that one. Let it load up, and then hit apply. And there you go. Look at that. Fantastic. So people can then type in their email, their email here, subscribe, and you can start building up a base of subscribers to your website. So yeah, one final thing is you can actually change the image again to whatever you like. So go through, have a look through Pixabay again, find an image and have it there as your background. So there you have it. Now you've got a subscription section on your website.